In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download and use textures from this website called GameTextures right here. So I'm going to show you all the steps and then we will do a quick example here in Blender. So I'm just gonna do a new one just to show you everything from the beginning. And so everything starts here in the web. So let me enlarge this. So the first thing you should do is go into a search engine and search for GameTextures. First result here will be GameTextures.com, and you can get into the main page here, the home page, or you can also directly go to Freebies, because in this website you will find many materials at your disposal just to test how they gonna work and the quality and so on. So if you go here to Freebies, you can see all the free assets that you can download and try. Now in my case I've chosen this one here, but let's pick another one just to work on that together. So I'm just gonna select let's say this one here. So you click here and it's gonna open up a page which is gonna show you all the information about this material. And if you go down, it will also show you similar materials, but this is premium content. So to get that, you need to create an account and have kind of a membership. So you will find all the information in the website. Just go there. Also, you will find links here to contact the staff and so on. But well, in this case, we're just gonna use this one. So you can also add it to your collection, share it. You can see more images here showing up the material. You can zoom in and see all the details. And right now it's already set for me in Blender, Cycles and 2K, but you can also change this. You have it for Unity, you have World Creator, Unreal, Blender, PBR generic, which is physically based render, and basically any render engine, the latest render engine out there, they all use PBR. So it's just a way to create the material which is closer to reality. It's physically accurate. You have also Arnold for 3ds Max and Maya. You have V-Ray. Well, essentially, if you use V-Ray, you can use it in any software like SketchUp or Rhino or many other Cinema 4D and so on. And then you have Substance, which is specific for materials. But again, you can use these textures for creating material in any software that is going to support PBR, but also if not, usually you can use these textures anywhere. And so I've chosen here Blender just to do this example, Cycles as a render engine, and resolution you can go for 2K or 4K, but in this case, to be quick, I'm gonna use 2K and click on download. And now I'm just gonna wait for this asset to be downloaded. Now again, you need to create an account to download, even if it's a free asset. So just go there and have a look to the download process. I'm gonna open this when it finishes, and there you go. We have the folder here opened up. It's a zipped folder, so what I usually do is copy the contents. So right click, copy, and place it in a specific folder, which I've called GameTextures. And again, I'm gonna create another one. This is gonna be floor sci-fi, or you can call it anything you want. Double click, right click, paste it, and there it is. So you have all the different textures here. Now, if you don't know what all these different textures are, you can follow other video guides in our channel. You can also check our video courses. You can also write in the comments, ask for assistance, make questions. You can also write your suggestions for other uses. Anything that can be useful can be written in the comments and will be published. And so basically, I'm gonna just do a quick introduction here. Now, the base color is the most superficial color. Sorry, texture for the material. Emissive will be for the materials that are gonna emit light. And then you have the height, which is gonna define the parts that are gonna be extruded from the surface, kind of a fake 3D superficial effect. Metallic is gonna define where the material is more metallic or less metallic. You can see there by the reflections. Normal, again, it's a superficial 3D effect. It's gonna give that three-dimensional detailing look to the material. opacity is where the material it's cut out. So if it's like this one here, which is kind of a grate or kind of a net, so it has like holes inside, but in this case our material doesn't have holes, so it's uniform, doesn't have opacity. It's similar to the alpha channel. And then we have roughness, which is gonna handle the reflectivity or specularity of the object. So well, all of these are explained in other videos. So if you're interested, look for it in the channel, look for physically based render materials. You can also have a look to Armor Paint, which is an open source software to manage and create materials from textures. So let's just make an example here in Blender. Now, it doesn't matter if we are using Blender or any other software because these are simple textures, so you just need to organize them and place them into the software. Now, if we talk about Blender, let me expand this. Now, this is the standard scene, the new scene. Now, all you need to do is go to the properties panel right here in the right, look for the materials properties, and click here in the base color, click there, and go to textures, and go to image, texture image or texture, and then you will see this little folder here. You're gonna open it up, navigate directly into your folder where you saved the textures. So this one here is the one that I created, and then get the texture that you want. Now in this case, this is basic, it's diffuse, it's base, so base color, base texture. I'm gonna open it up, and it's gonna be placed. Now to show that, if it doesn't show, it's just a matter of what display you are using in the view, which type of view you are showing. So just click there if you want to see the actual textures applied. And you can see we still have work to do here with the mapping, and we need to set up correctly the texture, but it's there. That's the process. That's just the beginning. But again, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna make more videos about Blender, about creating textures, assign textures, organizing textures, and so on. So this will be all for this video guide. Please subscribe. If you want to support us a little bit, you can join the channel as a supporter. And this will be all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.